मित्र हो, माननीय उच्च न्यायालय मुंबई यांनी स्टँडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसिजर, त्यालाच आपण SOP म्हणतोय, ही मुंबई, पुणे, रायगड, अलिबाग आणि ठाणे व्यतिरिक्त इतर जिल्ह्यांकरिता नवीन SOP जारी केलेली आहे. सदरची SOP ही सोमवार दिनांक 10/1/2022 पासून ते 28/1/2022 पर्यंत लागू होणार आहे. त्याबद्दल इतर जे उर्वरित जिल्हे जे आहेत त्याकरिता मान्य उच्च न्यायालयाने कोर्ट कामकाजाबाबत कोणकोणते निर्बंध घातलेले आहेत त्याबाबतची माहिती आज आपण या सदरच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये घेणार आहोत. मित्रांनो, तुम्ही जर माझ्या सदरच्या चॅनलवर नवीन असल्यास तुम्ही लाल बटन दाबून सबस्क्राईबचे लाल बटन दाबून जॉईन होऊ शकतात. स्टँडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसिजर SOP विथ इफेक्ट फ्रॉम 10/1/2022. The Honorable the Chief Justice and the other Honorable Judges of Honorable Administrative Committee, after taking into account the exponential surge in COVID-19 cases, all variants, and the views of stakeholders, have been pleased to put in place the following arrangement in respect of the functioning of subordinate courts situated in judicial districts of Maharashtra and Union Territory of Diu and Daman, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, except Mumbai, Pune, Raigad, Alibag and Thane. 1. All persons entering the court premises shall compulsorily wear masks covering the nose and mouth, including at the time of arraignment or giving evidence, and shall also observe social physical distance norms as set out time to time by Honorable High Court, central government and state government regarding precautions to be taken to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Number 2. Persons who have symptoms of COVID-19, all variants, shall not be permitted to enter the court premises. Number 3. Bar rooms, advocates' chamber, bar library, canteen, photocopy room, photocopy section shall remain open subject to adherence of all the safety norms. The Bar Association shall observe all the safety norms and ensure sanitization of the bar rooms, etc. It shall also be the responsibility of the concerned Bar Association to see that only those advocates whose matters are on board are coming to the court and given access to the bar room. Number 4. It shall be the responsibility of the concerned Bar Association, in contribution with the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa, to ensure that due precautions are taken to avoid spread of COVID-19 all variants. Number 5. The principal district and session judge, head of the establishment, may take decision at their end about the entry and exit points of the court premises. Number 6. One or more officers shall be appointed by the PJ to oversee the arrangement with adherence of the safety norms, who shall carry out inspection on daily basis. Office bearers of the Bar Council and Bar Association may issue instruction to all their members strictly abide by the safety norms. Number 8. If any advocates or litigants are found violating the above said guidelines, the principal district judge, head of the establishment, shall bring it to the notice of the Bar Council of Maharashtra and Goa and respective Bar Association under intimation to High Court by email on, and may take such action as she deems fit and proper. Number 9. In case the situation owing to pandemic is worsened, the principal district judge, head of the establishment, may approach the High Court and seek appropriate directions. Number 10. Only those advocates, witnesses, accused persons, and party in persons whose matters are listed on that day's board or whose presence is required by the court for any specific purposes like verification, etc., will be permitted to have access in the court building. No one should enter the court halls unless their matter is called out and shall leave the court premises as soon as hearing of their case or work is over. Number 11. The under trial accused shall be allowed to be produced in the court hall through video conference only. मित्रांनो, अशा स्वरूपाची SOP माननीय उच्च न्यायालय मुंबई यांनी जारी केलेले. मित्रांनो, तुम्ही माझ्या चॅनलवर नवीन असल्यास सबस्क्राईबचे लाल बटन दाबून जॉईन होऊ शकतात. धन्यवाद मित्रांनो.